Unboxing the yellow cab. This is the latest model. Unboxing. See, the box is perfectly shaped, and you can see the letters perfectly fitting the box itself. So I'm gonna unbox it now. See this one? Damn.
Damn.
It's right there. So I'm trying to unbox it. This has warranty. Warranty. Right?
Oh, look at that.
This is the unboxed yellow cab. Okay. So you have to test it now. This is the slices all perfectly sliced. Pizza is perfectly sliced. Let's try to see if it works properly now. Let's see if it works properly. Can't really see it. I think I have to test it again. So, this is the unboxed yellow cab, guys. So check me out on my YouTube. Yeah.
On my next
Pick me
video.
up, yeah, my address. Subscribe, please. Yellow cab, great pizza. That's it. Bye.